those hundreds of lives will now have a new house, new hope, new future to look forward to. Wala pang ganitong nakikita yung mundo. Dito lang sa Pilipinas, how people band together, how people are able to leave comfort, leave families behind for others.
Liwanag ang dilim, idislap ang mga bituin, hihili na ang lungkot, mapapawi.
Tuloy-tuloy po ang aking pag-asa dahil may nakikita akong katulad nyo na tuloy-tuloy din po tinatayo yung bansa natin. Be proud that you are a Filipino. Be proud that you are from the Philippines because one day the world will know how beautiful it is to be a Filipino.
For next year's GK Bayani Challenge, only for the brave, we will go to Sulu!
Ito na ang panahon na ang bayan ay ibangon. Pilipino, gising na. Tara na.
Yung group namin medyo diverse. May mga Catholics, may mga Muslims, may from Ateneo, may from Lasal. So may mga alumni din in different schools. Pero sama-sama kami. At isa lang yung natutunan ko, pag talaga pagtulong sa mahihirap at pagtulong sa ating bansa, iisa lang tayong lahat.
It's the first time I see so many people give their time, their work to help others. I've met very wonderful people and I realize that poorest you are and more you know how to give.
Babago ang bayan ko.
Let's be part of the solution. Let's not be cynics and critics, always looking for mistakes. Today there are thousands of us, tomorrow there will be millions.
Ang buong lakas. Ito na ang panahon na ang bayan ay ibangon. Pilipinas.
Ngayon, nasa 5 probinsya tayo. We want to challenge the impossible next year. We will raise 100,000 volunteers to build Nothing is Impossible. It's not impossible to end poverty. It's not impossible to unite the Filipino. And it's not impossible to give vision and for the youth to embrace a cause for country, for God.